Whoops. There we go. How's that? That looks pointy.
Very.
Oh my God.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I wonder if the cameras can hear.
I'm sorry.
Didn't know it blow that hard, did you?
Yeah, but I had to press hard, so I didn't think it was going to work.
Okay.
Oh, is that right?
And hey.
I'm sorry, webcam friends. I'm totally very badly.
Well, that's
muchly
okay.
sorry.
I just can't hear anymore. Okay. Yeah, we'll decide where we want to put it.
Yeah.
Do not do near people.
Do not
Can
do
ruin hearing. Yeah, it's kind of late for that. Did you get a taste of that? Come here, let me go
Okay.
outside and I'll show
Yeah,
you.
no, that's fine.
No,
That's fine.
okay.
I didn't think it was going to work.
I'm trying to think where we can put it.
Where it's reachable but out of sight.
Yes. I'll have to look at some spots.
Okay.
Still gonna-
Your fur is growing, Guy. Fur is growing.
Here, Jackie, come here.
I'm so sorry. I really am. I know that was loud. We're trying to keep a hawk away from the farmyard, so when we see it, we can blast that thing.